If you're looking for a way to recover your Instagram without using your email address or your phone, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. Usually, when you want to recover your Instagram because of a forgotten password or other reasons, Instagram will ask for your email, your number, or even your Facebook. However, if you do not have access to these three, what you can do is first, open a web browser on your phone. You can use Google, Safari, or whatever works best for you. In my case, I'll use Safari, and on the search tab, simply search for instagram.help.center. Just press the first on the result tab, and on the search tab, search for my profile has been memorialized. You have to search for this particular line because this is the only way that we can recover your Instagram account without using your email or your phone. It will redirect you to this page where you have to press let us know. It is highlighted using the blue color. Now just enter your full name, your Instagram username, and your email address. Make sure that all spellings are correct because a wrong spelling can stop your Instagram account from being recovered. Now that you've entered the three details, the full name, email address, and your Instagram username, you can write additional information about the problem that you are facing on the box below the email address. For example, you can write these lines. For example, you can write here that you forgot your password and that you do not have access to your email and your phone number, so you cannot reset it the normal way. You can also add additional points such as that you need to recover your Instagram account as soon as possible because of personal or business reasons and so on. Once you're done typing, just press send, and all you have to do for now is wait for Instagram to reach you out using the email address that you entered earlier. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again on our next videos.